Hey everybody, this is Tyler with RVMP here. I'm going through this new Flex Power 4000i that we just put in this Grand Design Momentum 3G. 28G. And this was an interesting install for us. This is a very, very tight compartment that they've made for this generator. But what we've done here is we've cut a couple pieces of rubber, thick rubber that we put down on the floor, and then we've mounted the gen on top of these strips of rubber so that it's isolated for its vibrations. We're just going through kind of the basics here with Ken before we let him take off and go camping with this. We've got a gas primer button right here, so he can hold that down and make sure that he gets primed up. Once he's ready to start, this is our on-off button. We have one button for both on and off. It's an automated digital start, so it has the automated choke and everything already in it, as well as running the fuel pump. So that's all he's got to do. These lights will indicate whether or not we have a low oil situation, maybe an electrical overload, or if we're output ready, this will be green. This is a reset for an electrical overload, so if this does turn red, it's going to hold your finger here until this turns green again. You'll be ready to go. This is our output breaker, 30 amps. You can flip this on and off depending on whether or not you want power coming out of your gen. We recommend having this off when you first start a gen and warm it up and get it going before you actually load it up with any power. Here's where we're going to put our oil in and out, or oil in, oil comes out on the bottom. We have a drain. This is our digital display here. That's going to tell us the volts that we're producing, the amps that we're producing, the number of total hours this gen has run, and then the number of hours for the run time currently. So that's kind of nice. It lets you know, has it been running for an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours this time. Okay. This is an air filter here. If you need to clean that, we of course have replacements for that stuff. And then back here is your switch for the dual fuel. You're gonna go up right now for gasoline, but if you wanted to switch to propane, you just switch that down. And you can actually do that while the generator's running. You don't have to stop it at all. It's pretty cool. So that's basically the rundown of this, and I think we're ready to get it fired up and get this guy out camping. So check out the 4000i online, guys. www.rvmp.co. Happy camping.